This is an LG K8M200, and the problem with this is can't get any reception from the SIM. So I decided I was going to change the antenna and hope for the best. So I got myself an antenna, and I'll show you how to replace it. The back is off, and this is the antenna over here, and I need to take that off. It needs a very fine Phillips screwdriver. So I'll do that off camera because there's only 3 screws. Right, I've got the 3 screws out. Now I'm going to carefully try and remove this antenna, which is peculiar in shape. Might take me a little while. So there's the one I've just removed, and I'm going to put in a new one and hope for the best. Here's the new one I bought. Didn't cost a great deal. Right, here we go. It should slot in quite nicely because it's for the right model. Though when I try something, it never is easy. Nope. I have to get it out and try again. Well, rather than you watching me struggle, I'll just go off camera, put it in and show it to you now. And all I need to do now is put the 3 screws in. I'll put one in, and I'll do the other 2 off camera so you don't waste your time. Nothing is easy, especially if they're very small. Oh, I dropped it. I've dropped it on the floor. It'll probably take me half an hour to find it now. So I'll try the other one. Oh. Here we go. One of them's in. Screw number 2. I think I'll do this off camera because you must be getting bored. By the way, I found the screw I dropped on the floor in about 5 seconds, which never happens. Normally you scramble around for half an hour, give up. Anyway, all 3 screws are in. Well, will be in. Reasonably tight, and that's it really. Now I'm going to put in the SIM and hope it works, but that's another story. Thank you for watching.